everyone, welcome to the Drive in Puerto Rico YouTube channel. We're going to be doing an install today. This is the rear louver or sunshade cover made by the Extreme Online Store. If you remember in the 80s, the Camaros and Trans Ams of that time tend to have like a rear louver, a cover for the windshield. So this is made by Extreme Online Store. They also made other pieces like spoilers, splitters, diffuser, and not only for Camaros, they also do it for Corvettes and Mustangs and other cars as well. Now for this install, we're only going to need two things: a pair of scissors and double-sided tape. Now, before doing the install, you should wipe your windshield, just to remove any dirt. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you to Extreme Online Store for providing us with the louvers to do this install. And let's see what else can we do with our Camaro.